Welcome to Let's Crack INI-CET, your one-stop guide to cracking the most competitive postgraduate medical exam in India. Without the confusion, clutter or burnout, let's get started. So in this video, I'll be talking about 3 months plan for November INI-CET. After giving NEET, many of you must be feeling very overwhelmed, confused or maybe disheartened. But don't worry, we are in this together. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. You must be thinking, what does a topper do differently than any average student? So let me tell you this thing, every topper once stood exactly where you are right now. What changed their game was their determination. They started today, continued their preparation tomorrow and then every day. Repetition is the key to success in these kinds of exams. Because 3 months from now, you are going to thank yourself for starting today. So let's move forward. INI-CET is just 3 months away and this time we are going all in. The mission is very clear. First, you complete all the syllabus, all the backlogs and focus on your weak subjects, especially the subjects which you left during your NEET PG preparation. Then practice MCQs of that subject, especially the last 5 years INI-CET PYQs and annotate them in your notes. Then revise your notes again and again, also the bookmarked questions so that you build a picture memory of your notes. Like USMLE Step 1, love to ask long stem clinical weightage questions, especially of first and second year subjects. So now is the time to make your concept strong. Next we will see breakdown of 19 subjects. Not this breakdown, but this. So we'll start on 10th of August with medicine and we'll do 2 systems in 3 days, followed by 100 questions of custom module of that system. I have kept 1 long system with 1 short system, assuming that you have already done that before. So now you just have to add extra points to your notes and just revise them. I'll attach the PDF of this schedule in the description below. You can download it from there. Next is we are going to see what are the do's and don'ts for INI-CET. So first is don't watch all the videos. Watch the videos of selective topics which you think are your weak topics or weak concepts. Second is don't just give the test. Test doesn't mean you have to just know your score. Test is a learning tool. You have to review the wrong questions, learn from them and annotate in your notes. Third is don't read the main notes now. You have limited time now, so just read whatever you have made before for NEET and supplement them with PYQs or the MCQs which you are getting wrong. Then what will your day look like? In the morning, revise your yesterday's topic which you have read yesterday so that it will build in your memory. In the afternoon or in the late morning, study new topic because that's the time when your brain start slowing down. You have to read things passively, so watch any video or learn a new topic. Then in the evening, do 50 mixed bag MCQs. Then review the mistakes and note down in your notes or make the flashcards.